Yeah, live how you want to live. Who cares? What the hell is going on here? No, I'm taking the sidewalk. I have a very hard time trusting people who look like they don't know what the hell they're doing. Oakland Gardens is right by the apartment building. Shit, I've been to this one. That's what it is. This is gonna get complicated. The number's gonna be 20. Wait a minute. No, there it is. Thank you. People in there, which means it's possible the order might not be ready yet. I just want to get in and get out. People gotta stop doing this shit, like leaving their nasty, disgusting cups when there's, clearly somewhere around here there's gotta be a garbage pail. Seriously. Human depravity. Yeah, what are you gonna do? Nasty, disgusting, germ-filled, filthy, God knows what disease they have, cups all over the place. It's disgusting. This is where you protect yourself with the camera, people. Just in case. This is why. What do you call that dog? Moody or Woody? I call it Cujo, that's what I call it. This is why you gotta protect yourself. Get yourself a freaking camera if you're doing deliveries, especially on a bicycle or scooter or whatever. Get yourself a camera. Body cam. Protect yourself against people, liars, and all this other shit. Get a camera to protect yourself. Very important. You're in public. You can record anything you can see with your eyes. Hello. There you go. Have a good day. Thank you. this. Yeah, every day's an adventure. Whoever thinks it's a good idea to lower your car on these streets, I don't know what to tell you. You end up ripping out your oil pan eventually. How you doing? All right. Have a good one. Thank you. Over the street. May as well. Food. The drop off is, yeah, one of those buildings. I forget. Just standing right in there.
빛이 그만한 거 나오고 싶지 않은데.
UberEATS delivery. How you doing? There you go. Oh, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Oh, push button. Look at this. Man. Yeah. Okay. There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good one. Thank you. Fine. There it is. Okay, we got both of them. Let's go drop these off. we're going. Thank you. I guess he thinks it sounds like a V8. Sounds just like a V8 engine. Yeah, it doesn't sound like an EcoBoost, four-cylinder at all. I mean, just because something's loud doesn't mean it necessarily sounds good. What's this for? He's making a U-turn. Huh. He turned his lights off. What the hell? I can smell like rubber burn. He just turned his lights off. No more emergency? Tie the bike, untie the bike, tie the bike. Yep. It's a great place to park. Okay. They don't even park near the curb. There it is. I know.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, it's Burger King.
Yeah, Burger King. I put it in a bag.
Come look.
Oh, that's fine.
Okay.
Okay. Where we're going. What the hell is this? This is something else, I know. This is usually what happens. You get one person who screws up everything for everybody else. He's on his phone. Let's get down to text. Yep, this is something else. Now I remember why I'm sick of driving.